In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check signed documents in DocHub. By the end, you'll know how to open your file, add your signature if needed, place it precisely, export the document with the right settings, and quickly confirm everything looks correct. First, head to DocHub.com and sign in. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is essentially your home base. Here you'll see your recent files and folders, making it easy to jump back into ongoing work. To get started, go to your documents and open the file you want to review or finalize. Give the document a quick scan so you know where the signature needs to go and whether there's anything else you should check before exporting. Inside the document, look for the Sign option. Click it to add a signature. If this is your first time using DocHub's signature tool, you can create a new signature right here. You'll typically have options to draw your signature, type your name and choose a style, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Take a moment to pick the option that looks clean and professional. If you make a signature now, it will be available for future documents, which saves time later. Once your signature is ready, click and drag it into place on the page. Position it exactly where it belongs, usually on or just above the signature line. You can resize the signature by pulling the corners so it doesn't overwhelm the page or look too small. Use the zoom controls to get a precise placement and make sure it isn't covering any important text. If your document has multiple signature sections, move the same saved signature to each spot as needed. When your signature looks good, it's time to export the document. Click Export to open the export settings. Here, choose your preferred format, typically PDF, and review any options offered, such as flattening annotations or including only the final content. Adjust the settings to match how the recipient expects to receive the file. Then confirm the export to download or save it. Before sending the document, open the exported file and do a quick check. Make sure the signature appears clearly, is in the right place, and the pages look exactly as they did in DocHub. If something seems off, go back to the document, adjust the placement or settings, and export again. That's it. Open your document, add or create your signature, place it precisely, export with the right settings, and verify the final copy. You're ready to confidently handle signed documents in DocHub.